In this video, I'm going to put together my component from a previous video, the flange bolt, with a component from a previous video, the threaded shaft. And we're going to make an assembly, and we're going to connect these two components with a simple joint. Let's go to New, we'll select that, and I want to hit this little waffle thing so I can see the components that I have available. If you can't get into this assembly one, don't forget, if you go to this home, you could get into all of these projects. The default project, if you're in my engineering class, definitely has the threaded shaft and the flange bolt. All right. But I made this one special so that there's not a lot of things junking it up, right? Let's go ahead and get this threaded shaft first and put it in our project. So I'm going to right click. I'm going to say insert into current design. There we go. And we can move it around or rotate it and stuff like that, but we don't need to. It's fine where it's at. I'm going to hit OK. I'm going to go to the flange bolt. I'm going to right click on that. And then I'm going to say insert into design. There we go. Now we should move that, right? That's kind of in the way of the threaded shaft. Let's go ahead and grab that arrow, and I'm holding down on the mouse, just kind of pulling it. Cool. I let go of the mouse, the left mouse button, right? Now I'm going to grab this little dot. I'm going to turn it because I want this underside accessible. All right, that's good. I'm going to hit OK. Now, in order to add this flange bolt to our threaded shaft, like somebody actually screwed in the bolt, we're going to add a joint. I'm going to go to Assembly, and I'm going to hit Joint, right? And you can read about it. Select that. And we have two things. We have position and we have motion. We are going to make this rigid, right? It's not going to be turning. You screw it in and it stays there. But you could do stuff like revolute. Like we might do that with the flywheel, the pulley wheel, right? You have slider. You have a whole bunch of different stuff. We're just going to do rigid right now. And we'll go to position. And then origin mode, I want a simple joint. So I'm going to say simple. And this is selected by default. Also, it's the snap. We got to find some place to snap that first point for our joint. I am going to hold down just the mouse wheel and move this, and then maybe scroll in a little bit. And you see all these little dots? These are all possibilities for selecting for your joint, for your component one. I think I'm going to go down here, and that's in the center of the threaded shaft up on the flange side. I'm going to click it. Hopefully you could see it okay. Maybe I can scroll in a little bit more, right? You can see like there's a little red thing and a green thing and a blue thing. If you're not colorblind, let's go ahead and click it. Boom. Oh, now you can see it even better, right? Cool. This automatically highlighted. So we're also going to do a simple joint, and we are going to select the threaded shaft. I want to get this end over here. I'm going to orbit, right? Hold down the shift, hold down the mouse wheel. We could turn this, straight, and I'm going to select that part right there at the top. Cool. And look at that. Boom. It went right into place. If it flipped around and it's not facing right, hit this little flip. See that? Flip right down here. So you can flip it. But it went the way we wanted it to. And if we hit OK, you could see this little sideways E looking thing, or maybe it looks like a tunnel, right? If you right click on that, you can edit the joint if you want to change something. All right. Now, if your joint's all messed up, but you still have a joint and you're in my engineering class, turn it in anyway. Don't get too frustrated. If you get the joint, I'm happy, right? Now, I just scrolled out a little bit. I think I'm going to add that flange bolt up here too, right? So we could duplicate this. We could go ahead and select this, maybe right click, and we have a move copy. We could do that here, or under modify, there's also a move copy, or you could hit the letter M. Let's do that. All right, now this right here is selecting the body, right? The bolt part of the flange bolt. Let's go here and hit components up, and we unselected it. Let's go ahead and click it again. Cool. Now it's selected. All right, and let's go to translate. Nice. And that's just going to be moving it along the axes. Let's hit create a copy. All right, let's move this out. Look at that. We got another one. I'm going to move this up here a little ways. And let's hit OK. All right, now I'm going to do shift, mouse wheel down. We're going to orbit. We want to get access to this section right here and this section right here. We're going to add another joint. So go to assembly, go to joint, simple joint. Make sure your motion is rigid. That's good. Go back to position, simple joint. This is already selected. Snap. I'm going to go with the bolt first. Oh, look at that. I can see it. Boom. Click it. Come back a little bit. Maybe move this over a little bit. We got to get down here, right? So this is already selected. We have simple joint here. Select snap. Let's select that. Boom. All right. Now look at that. Oh, it's flipped. Let's go ahead and do the flip. Flip it back. Nice. Hit OK. Now you have your first assembly and you applied 2 simple joints. Go ahead and take a snapshot of that if you're in my engineering class and upload it to Schoology.